लास्ट 10 वीडियोस में हमने ऑलमोस्ट 300 MCQs जो थे वो डिस्कस कर लिए थे। ये हमारा पार्ट नंबर 11 है जिसमें हम MCQ नंबर 301 जो है वो डिस्कस करेंगे, ठीक है। और इसके आगे ऑलमोस्ट 330 MCQs तक हम आज की वीडियो में जाएंगे। आज की जो वीडियो है इसमें जो पहला क्वेश्चन है वो ये है, द इंटरनल रेजिस्टेंस ऑफ अ सैचुरेटेड वेस्टर्न सेल इज़ ऑफ द ऑर्डर ऑफ। इसका करेक्ट जो ऑप्शन है वो है a few hundred ohms. So option A is correct. If two or more interrupts occurs during execution, the sequence of appearance of interrupts is called nested interrupt and interrupt within interrupt. Option D is correct. The condition occurring when two or more devices try to write data to a bus simultaneously is called bus contention. Option B is correct. In memory mapped scheme, the devices are viewed as distinct input output devices, memory locations only input devices, only output devices. So memory locations are is the correct option. The process of refreshing the data in RAM to reduce the possibility of the data loss is known as refresh cycle. Option D. The instruction move AX to OH is an example of it is an example of immediate addressing mode. So option C is correct. The instruction that unconditionally transfers the control of execution to the specified address is JMP. Option A is correct. Unlike microprocessors, microcontrollers make use of batteries because they have low power consumption. So option B is correct, low power consumption. Ripple factor of a bridge rectifier is 0.5. Option A is correct here. Which of the following is not a purpose of disturbance monitoring equipment? So incorrect relay setting. Option C जो है वो यहाँ पे ठीक है. Which one of the following is not a basic category of measurement? यहाँ पे जो validity होती है वो बेसिक कैटेगरी में नहीं आती मेजरमेंट के. ऑप्शन बी जो है वो यहाँ पे करेक्ट है. A use of functions is that they can be used to decrease the code duplication and to make programs more understandable and easier to maintain. So functions हम जब यूज़ करते हैं तो हमारे पास जो कोड की डुप्लीकेशन होती है वो रिड्यूस हो जाती है. यहाँ पे जो ऑप्शन है वो बी ऑप्शन है, डिक्रीज कोड डुप्लीकेशन. The large or surge impedance loading of a long transmission line can be increased without adversely affecting its stability by connecting a lumped capacitance in series with the line. So option D is correct, capacitance in series with the line. As compared to oscillators, inverter provide low voltage output, low frequency output, distortion-less output and noise-less output. So low frequency output is the correct option. A digital to analog converter can be used to make automated potentiometer in comparison measurement. So option B is correct. Depletion region of a diode contains no mobile charge carriers. Option A is correct. The analog to digital converter provides of input signal, it is representation, quantization, minimum, maximum value, all information. Here quantization is the correct option. Option B. A higher directivity is specified by high gain, low bandwidth. So option A is correct here. GSM uses FTMA, TDM, both, none of the above. So GSM हमारा जो था वो यूज़ करता था FTMA and TDM. So both options are correct. Option C. Advanced mobile phone system AMPS use FTMA only. ठीक है, so B option is correct. Which modulation has higher data rates? FM, AM, OM, QPSK. So OAM has the higher data rates. Option C. Flyback converter is used for AC to DC and DC to DC. So both B and C options are correct. Option E. Large phase mercury arc rectifier is used as rectifier. Option B. In a transformer, it is difficult to measure the efficiency by output-input measurement methods because efficiency of a transformer is usually high and hence extremely accurate measurements will be necessary. So C option is correct. Series capacitor compensation is used to increase the series reactance, reduce the series reactance between the load and supply the reactive power. So reduce the series reactance between load and supply is correct. Option B. Shunt reactors are needed to bring down receiving end voltage at the light loads. Option C is correct. In a transfer function gain, if K is equal to 0, root locus roots are open loop poles. Option B. TDMA uses phase modulation. Option A. Output occurring due to only input with zero initial conditions is called zero state. Option A. The maximum loads attached to a device is called fan out. Option B. So आज की वीडियो के जो MCQ थे वो हमने कंप्लीट कर ली. नेक्स्ट वीडियो में हम जो नेक्स्ट 30 MCQs हैं उनको डिस्कस करेंगे. थैंक यू.